How's it going, Anton?
I'm gonna kill myself.
You've gotten really far.
I don't like your sarcasm.
Bro, look at your wheels. Buys $8,000 wheels, gets fucking dust all over them.
If you're not gonna fucking use them, then what the fuck's the point?
We're trying to find out what's wrong with my headlights and what's wrong with Brendan.
I'm black. Wow. It's the real shit. Now you guys can kind of see the car compared to the last video, or yesterday, depending on how I edited this. But fender's cut. We got to get the rear quarter off today, hopefully. Side skirt along with it. Like I said, that is one of my biggest fears because I don't know how well it's gonna go. Diffuser's got to come off. We got to weld the holes in the hatch from the duckbill. What else? What else today? It's gonna be a shit show. It's gonna be a shit show. I am shot from yesterday. I got a lot more sanding to do, obviously. My car looks like it just went through freaking like the mountains of fucking Japan. Going back to its older roots. But I like it. I like where the where it's going. Everything aligns a lot better now. Oh, it's gonna be a hot one. I can feel it already. I do have a few people coming today that might help me out. Hopefully with sanding, stuff like that, because I need to get the sanding done ASAP. One piece. Alright, boys and gals, hopefully you can hear me over the compressor. This quarter is off. It's gonna be a shit ton of sanding. 180 SX side skirt is off. It's actually in pretty decent condition. Tabs and everything. Just the only thing is that these are kind of chopped a little bit on the top. Just a tiny bit. But those will be getting sold. Hopefully somebody will buy them. I'm gonna drop the price compared to the normal 180 skirts because it's not 100% condition. But quarter's off, side skirt's off, diffuser is off. This car's looking like a heap. This quarter's gotta come off next, then that side skirt. And it's gonna be all sanding from there for probably the rest of the day besides fitting the kit to at least get it so that we can mount it when we're done sanding. And then we gotta, like I said before, we gotta weld the holes from the duckbill. I'm not gonna be running a duckbill on this build. And let's see where this takes us. Alright, so I had to take my wheel off real quick. I bought Gorilla lug nuts. I used to have Weir likewise. They're aluminum. They literally, I took them off 3 times and they went to shit. They started fading. Obviously it says for show purposes only, but even if that's true, you can only take them off like 3 times and then they're garbage. So the body doesn't line up as the way it's supposed to be. Even Rocket Bunny's doesn't line up. Let's see. So do it the way Rocket Bunny did. Huh? Do it the way Rocket Bunny did. So I'm not allowed to sand anything because it's doing a tint job. So I'm kind of at a standstill. I'm just gonna take shit off my car. And you can't hear anything. It's a bunch of fucking lawnmowers across the street. I'm not talking about the actual things they're using.
Come on, it's Jazz Car's Honda, relax.
Oh, wow, bro. No. Alright. Let me take a look at this real quick.
Nope.
Alright, so
Obviously, we've all seen Anton's car. What you guys didn't know is that this car is secretly a whole lot thinner than you thought it was. There's about fucking half an inch of fucking Bondo.
What have I told
on the
everybody?
damn thing.
What have I been telling everybody? Don't mold your flares. And everyone's like, you look so sick. But then you
Okay,
have
don't
this.
get me wrong. Everyone that's been telling Anton, oh, mold the flares, mold, and he's saying don't mold the flares. There's a reason why. Yes, it can look really clean, but if you ever decide to take it off, this is what you have to deal with. This is fucking ridiculous. When I almost bought the kit for the Audi, or when I did buy the kit for the Audi, I thought, it looks alright, bolted on. What would it look like? Molded, blah, blah, blah. And I remembered this. I would never. I'd fucking shoot myself. But this is a 240, it's alright. I mean, I probably just lowered the value about $300.
Never, it's all that drift tax.
Yeah, right?
Yeah, here's a better representation of it.
Is this new or old?
Old. Shot.
Shot. You're right
Are
about
those
the
new
fucking-
lug nuts though? The other ones are old. I gotta get rid of them. But I had to take
You're
this
right
wheel off.
though, like about the gap. Holy shit. Back is perfect. Front,
I'm gonna have to lower it.
What?
But it's gonna be hard.
No. Once your front bumper and your lip is on, you can't, like, when you lower the car, you're fucked. You're literally fucked. You're either gonna break your entire fucking bumper, destroy the splitter, or that's it. That's it. There's nothing else. You can't lower. You have to just
I have to rock the
Mexi flush.
90s JDM
Mexi flush.
fender gap.
Yeah. Like, oh God.
But
What is this?
We're gonna trim it.
What is this?
We did it just to test fit everything on before we start cutting.
I mean, like, realistically, oh boy, what is this?
That's chassis. It's already like that on all the kits. I have to undercoat it. I have undercoat.
Okay.
Don't worry, we know.
I believe you. We were talking yesterday. Fuck that, no going back. Dude, I like proposed her. We were engaged. Where do we even fucking begin?
Well, it's getting better.
It is getting better. We thought originally,
It went up to the window.
yeah, we were really worried the Bondo was gonna.
Stop
but-
right here.
We're good.
This isn't as bad as I thought it was gonna be. I mean, it's probably gonna take me an hour in total to get all of it off both. But
Just don't stop. Like, I mean, like, I guess our biggest problem right now is we get sidetracked hella easy.
of that, and I'm trying not to let the fucking compressor overheat again. 'Cause
Yeah.
I did it yesterday, and then I was fucked for an hour. So I'm trying to let it like do what it has to do.
Boy.
It is what it is.
It is what it is. We got Drifty Boys over here, Drifty Boys. You guys do not understand how much fucking dust is just everywhere. It's literally everywhere. It's all Anton's car. R.I.P.
Alright. I'm still doing this crap. It's really driving me nuts, but it's almost done. And then I gotta go to the other side. I'm gonna shoot myself. I just want to get this kit on already. We mocked it up on this side. It's not looking bad, but this car is gonna be a pain in the ass. Like always. I'm sorry I had lack of content right now. I just, it's kind of hard to record and work at the same time, and I'm the only one here that's not knocked out or working, so trying for you guys. Oh, I'm brown again.
It's the reverse Michael Jackson.
Open up. Open up. So we're going to attempt to put my harness bar in with the assistance of the elite, of the elites.
Hello.
We're talking about, right?
He's in danger.
Nah, she's like 14 now.
Saw, dude.
It really bothers me how slow this zoom is.
Because it's not supposed to be drastic.
Hi. You guys look like you're about to be in a gay porno together. Literally.
Hello. Can we take a minute to appreciate the gray hairs you have, Anton?
I have a lot of gray hair.
You know, that's probably stress related.
Yes, I was 16.
I wonder what it's from.
Not the car.
Not the car?
I know. Why the fuck would you DoorDash 2 things that are
Where's my Gatorade?
just fucking drink?
I don't know, bro. I'm calling Peppy right now.
I'm done.
Hey. Hey. Hey.
I'm gonna explain myself before we talk retarded. On the, I don't know what the fuck it's called, I forgot. Where the bracket goes, you can't have the plastic because it just doesn't fit. So now we either have to cut or just leave it blank. And even a blank looks really stupid.
What kind of Arizona do you
So
want?
we're gonna try and cut these
It doesn't matter.
It doesn't
and hope it
matter.
fits.
As long
So
as
we're
it's
gonna make a
not,
little slit and then we're gonna
watermelon.
just keep expanding.
As long as it's not
from there.
watermelon.
Go ahead, you're gonna fuck this shit up.
Measure and then fucking. Okay, so since I guess the camera's on me now. I mean, good enough. I did cut a little bit too much, but I mean, we'll just clean it up and you'll never fucking know. It's better than the entire thing missing. In Nick's car, it's like, yes. So,
Shit is fucking trash.
shit's fucking trash, dog. So, you want to just grab a tape measure and we'll just do it from there. Make our lives easy. Instead of trying to fucking do that.
Well, what do you mean a tape measure? Just to measure what? How long it is?
We'll just do it on this.
So, if y'all were wondering what a typical 240 looks like, there is miscellaneous pieces coming off, multicolored.
You realize all that footage?
I know. I hope it gets put in though. I'm crossing my fingers.
Your footage?
My footage.
Shaky footage?
It's not shaky, bro.
13-year-old sister recording.
Look, cut, multicolored, more cut. What is wow? That wasn't me. No tails. Is this even a real Rocket Bunny, bro?
Is that yours?
No, it's Dane.
Oh, Dan's gone. Is Dan gone?
Daniel is gone.
We're saved.
CJ drives my car one time, check engine light comes on.
Nice.
It's cool.
What'd you break?
Say some dumb shit, Shan. Come on, I saw it coming. I saw it.
I was gonna say it, but I didn't.
I saw you holding back.
What'd you break out, man? Besides my home. But I want to be fucking gay, so
was
I didn't
him.
say it.
Do you know how nice it's gonna be when it's done?
No, it's not. You said it the last time we ate, and I
Damn.
still look like shit.
Day 300.
The rent?
Car still looks like shit.
Nah, she doesn't give a fuck.
I don't.
What? She doesn't give a fuck. Alright, I'm gonna make this super quick because my camera's running out of space. I just want to thank you guys for watching. I'm sorry for lack of content. Like I said earlier, it's just hard to record and work at the same time. I'm gonna show you guys a recap of everything I did today, tomorrow morning. Just thank you guys for being updated. Hopefully this car gets finished. I have a lot of hands helping me out. If you guys have any questions or anything like that, I'm more than happy to answer them. I'm thinking about doing another Q&A. I'm running out of time, and whatever, we'll figure it out later. Thank you guys for watching.
Sad boy. The life of a sad boy. Da na na na.
I'm gonna kill myself.
I can't say what I want.